Oh, hi there. Okay. No more. This is going to be your class for today. You are going to perform a review workshop. This workshop, because it is a review, is about all the topics you already saw in this term. So you have only 5 points, as always, but these points are for all the topics we already saw. As you can see here, we have problem solving using linear equations. We have quadratic functions, we have exponential functions, logarithmic functions, and the last topic we saw was areas and volumes. So you have here one example of that. And I have no more to say. So thank you very much for your attention. Good luck. Remember to follow me at my social media. You can find me at @SailorB. And I don't have any more to say. Bye bye.